How to update payment method on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, we're going to be talking about how you can easily update your payment method on Spotify. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is open up Spotify and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you are here on Spotify, all you have to do is find the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. If you want to remove or change your payment method without losing playlists, you don't have to worry about losing them because it won't change anything from your playlist. It's just your payment method. Now tap on settings and privacy. Then from here, you want to go over to account. And as you can see here, you can find your plan over here. I currently have the free plan, so I haven't made any subscriptions. But if you have, you can just tap on your subscription here and you'll have an option to manage your subscription. So just tap on it. Then you'll find your payment method somewhere down below. Tap on the payment method and you'll find a change option right besides it. And if you tap on that, you should be able to change your card info, or if you want to add a completely different payment method, you can do that as well. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.